Hey folks, just a little homestead update. We've had nothing but rain for the past few days, and well, the river is near flood stage. I'm not worried about it. Downriver should be, but I'm not. Well, it's not going to rain tomorrow, but then it's supposed to rain for the next 4 days again, so we'll see what happens. Get those pulled up tomorrow, get that fence up. Ladies are back in production. They were molting bad, but now they're back up to where they should be, between 11 and 13 eggs a day. It's where we want them. Whatever I don't sell here to neighbors, I take down to the Kitten store. Sell them there. That's a little pocket change for a day. Anywho, it's been rainy. We should have had these rains in the spring. Wouldn't have had problems with the stunted growth on some of this stuff. But it is what it is. We do what we can. I see I got a little pool out there in the garden. No biggie. Got the bird feeders up. Well, some of them. Got a nuthatch over there, pecking on the suet. Got a suet feeder on the ground. Got to get some more corn cobs on that. And it looks like it's gonna rain again here. Oh, we got a rainbow. I don't know if this is gonna come out, but we'll see. Anyways, folks, just a little homestead update. Later.